If you're looking to build a course website in under an hour, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to create a professional course website that's ready to go live with minimal effort. Whether you're an experienced creator or just starting, I'll guide you through it step by step, and by the end, you'll have everything you need to launch your course site fast. Let's start with the basics. The first thing you'll need is a reliable platform. After testing out several popular options, I've found the best software that makes building a course website seamless and quick. This software handles everything from course creation to payment processing in one simple package. Plus, viewers of my channel get an exclusive free trial link in the description below to follow along if you want to dive deeper into it. Once you have your software set up, the first step is to choose a template. Our software has a variety of pre-designed templates, specifically for course websites. Select one that fits your style, and you can customize it in just a few clicks. The goal here is to get something that looks good and is easy to navigate, so don't overthink the design right now. Now let's get your course content in place. Inside the software, you can easily upload your course videos, PDFs, quizzes, and other materials. It's a drag and drop system, so you won't have to worry about complicated coding. Just upload your files and arrange them in the order you want your students to follow. Next, you'll need to set up your payment system. With the software we're using, you can integrate payment options directly into your website. This makes it super easy to start accepting payments for your courses without needing an external service. Just input your payment details and you're good to go. You can even set up discounts and promotional offers if you're running a special deal. Don't forget to set up your student dashboard. This part is crucial. You want your students to have easy access to all their materials and progress tracking. The software allows you to customize the student experience so they can track their course completion, revisit lessons, and view any new content you add in the future. This feature will save you time and effort when students have questions about their progress. Once everything is set up, make sure to preview your course website. Check how it looks on mobile and desktop. A lot of visitors will come from their phones, so you want to make sure everything is responsive and loads quickly. Finally, don't forget the finishing touches, your about page, testimonials, and any additional resources or blog posts you might want to include. These help build credibility and trust with your students, and they can make a huge difference in the long run. Before you wrap things up, remember to grab the exclusive free trial link for this software in the description below. It's the best way to follow along and get your course website up and running quickly without any hassle. Key takeaway: building a course website in under an hour is totally achievable if you use the right software. Choose a template, upload your content, set up payment, and customize your student experience, all in one go. Remember, the key to a fast launch is simplicity. Don't overcomplicate things. To recap, use the software, choose a template, upload your content, integrate payment, customize the student experience, and preview everything before going live. And don't forget to check out the free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your course website.